Hi YouTube, it's once again your old friend Sirens in New Jersey here. Well, unfortunately this isn't going to be really siren related, but this will be clock related and Westminster chime related. So, what I got here, I got a Westminster chime set that I picked up at Hobby Lobby today. Here, just wait, I'm going to turn the light on so you can see. Just plug this thing in. Alright, there we go. Now you should see alright. So this here is a Westminster clock set. Get the other parts out that I picked up today. I got a clock face. Gonna use that, and I got a set of clock hands. So let's take this out of the package and see what we've got. Alright, well, here's the Westminster chime box here. This thing runs off of 2 AAA batteries. It has a set button right here. And remember, I gotta read the instructions, because I know this is hard. You gotta sync everything up. There's the clock mechanism. It's easy to put the clock mechanism together. You just smack the clock face on, and then the hands... Actually, no. The clock face, and then the nut. Then the hands, minute hand, and there you go. So I'm gonna do that right now. Alright guys, well, the clock is almost completed. So I'm just gonna put the hands on camera. Just like I put the clock face and put all that package together on camera. And now I'm opening the hands thing, or the hands box, clock hands. So I can use my hands. Okay, enough. We're getting serious here. We're not joking. It's like, I'll joke around in some videos. It's okay. Alright, so here are the clock hands. Got some gold ones. Alright, so let's put the hour hand on first. Actually, wait, before we do that, here, let me check something. Alright, it's alright. We're good. So, hour hand goes on first. And then the, and then this hand here. Oh wow, this is hard. Alright. Yeah, this is a little different to set up, so I'll have to pause the camera, so yeah, we'll have to pause the camera. Alright guys, well, I just put the clock face together. Wow. It actually looks pretty good. It was pretty hard to put together because there was just so many parts, and I had big fingers, and the big fingers were messing stuff up, so yeah. There's the clock face. Now I gotta focus on the chime unit here, so I'm gonna once again pause the camera and see if I can find 2 AAA batteries, and maybe you get to hear the Westminster chime. Alright, I'm back with some batteries, so I'm gonna plop these... Oh wait! They don't... Nope, not AAAs, AA. Whoops. that was weird, so let's put the AAs in. See if we get to hear a sound out of this. Well, that's pretty loud. Wow. That's actually pretty loud. That's why I put tape over it. That just scared the crap out of me when it started up, so I'm just gonna put some blue duct tape over this horn. That's actually pretty loud. Let's hear that again. Well, now it chimes 7. Yeah, that scared me when it started up. When it first went off, it scared me. Alright, so I guess this means I gotta move this to 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoops. 7. Alright, there we go. This can be tightened just a little. Alright, there we go. Alright, there we go. 7 times. Okay, let's push that button, hear that Westminster again. Now it went off 8 times, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wire this thing up to the clock. So that means I gotta turn this thing over and then start wiring it up. See, there's the wires on the back. And here, I'm gonna put it like this because these hands are really touchy. I think I already broke one. Whoops. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna pause here and then I'll wire it up and see what we get. Okay I'm I decided I'd put this thing on a cardboard stand here. I'm not gonna keep this on. It's just on there temporary so I can show you guys. Actually, now that I think of it, I might keep it on this thing, but who knows? This is all I got for now, it's cardboard. Here's the wiring here. The Westminster chime mechanism is going right here. And I'm gonna wire them wires up. And that'll be the clock. So we'll come back when everything's complete. Alright guys, well, clock's together. So I'm gonna put the battery in here. And then we're gonna make some music. Put the battery in. Whoops. This might take some time. There we go. Oh, wait. Alright, there we go. Let's just give it a short test. Uh-oh. Looks like I set the clock mechanism upside down. Yep. That explains why that click. Alright, we're experiencing technical difficulties here. Alright, YouTube, well, the clock is finally set. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the mechanism back here. And that is it. So let's see where we can put this. Here, let's do another quick test of this. Here we go. Whoops. Uh-oh. Hang on, I gotta tighten the nut. Man, we're experiencing technical difficulties once again. Alright. You know what, I'll let you hear it with the tape, with the tape off of the, chime without the horn. Without the tape over the horn. Yeah, once again, this thing it's loud. There's no volume button on this thing. Because I know some Westminster clocks do, some Westminster clocks don't. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. And there you have it. That is the complete video. And that concludes the end of the video. Or, that concludes the video, whatever. So, that is about it. Thanks for watching, guys. I don't know if I'm going to keep this clock. I might give it to somebody, but once again, I'm pretty sure that I'm not going to keep this in the cardboard thing here, so I will make a housing for this the proper way. And that is it. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Before I leave, I'm going to give you a quick update on the siren here. I got the battery here, so we'll do a little growl before the video ends. We'll just do a quick growl because the siren's loud. Obviously, all sirens should be loud. So I'll do a quick growl. Here we go. Yes, there will be a New Year's Eve to New Year's Day 2018 blast on this siren. So, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.